Let's get straight into the heart of today's message. To truly understand why a spoonful of oil before bed can restore natural morning erections, we first need to uncover the science behind it, why this simple ritual works so powerfully for men over 60. I've seen countless men come into my clinic frustrated and hopeless, convinced age had stolen everything from them. Yet, after just a few weeks of following this protocol, those same men often walk back in with something priceless, a spark in their eyes and the quiet pride of feeling alive again. 1. Why oil before bed works. Your body isn't resting at night, it's working. From 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., your body's night crew takes over. Hormone factories switch on, producing testosterone. Blood vessels repair microdamage from the day. Inflammation is cleaned out by the immune system. But there's a catch, this repair system only works if it has raw materials. Testosterone is made from cholesterol and fats. Without them, your body can't build the hormones you need for strength, vitality, and sexual function. That's why oil before bed is so effective. It delivers healthy fats at the exact moment your body needs them most. It keeps blood vessels flexible overnight so morning blood flow is strong. It calms inflammation, allowing the pelvic region to reset. Think of it like restocking a factory before a night shift. Workers can't build if the shelves are empty. One spoonful of oil fills those shelves so your body can do the work it was designed to do. 2. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is where most men should start. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and powerful compounds called polyphenol. Monounsaturated fats are the building blocks of testosterone. Polyphenol protect your blood vessels from oxidative stress. It lowers LDL cholesterol while raising HDL cholesterol, helping circulation. Open book example, one 65-year-old man told me he hadn't had a natural morning erection in years. He was embarrassed and avoided intimacy. I asked him to take 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil before bed every night, nothing else. 3 weeks later, he said, "Doctor, I woke up like I used to in my 40s. Backhand index pointing right. How to use it. Take 1 tablespoon before bed. Best options, cold-pressed, dark glass bottle, fresh harvest date. If you don't like the taste, mix with lemon juice or drizzle on bread. 3. Castor oil. Most people know castor oil as a laxative. But very few know about its power for men's health. Its secret weapon? Ricinoleic acid, 90% of its fat content. This compound penetrates deeply into tissues, reducing inflammation and congestion around the pelvis, prostate, and lower abdomen. Improves circulation to the genitals. Supports the lymphatic system, clearing toxins. Reduces pelvic inflammation, restoring blood flow where it matters. Open book example, a 70-year-old patient was exhausted from trying pills with side effects. I gave him a simple protocol, half a teaspoon of castor oil before bed. Within a month, he experienced his first natural morning erection in 5 years. He laughed and said, "Doctor, I had forgotten what that felt like." Backhand index pointing right. How to use it. Start small, 1/2 teaspoon before bed. Choose cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil, never industrial grade. Too much can cause loose bowels, don't exceed 1 teaspoon. 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil provides instant fuel thanks to MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides. Unlike other fats, MCTs skip digestion and go straight to the liver, where they're turned into ketones, pure energy for your brain, muscles, and reproductive system. Why it matters for erections. Boosts energy at night, so your body repairs instead of crashing. Improves insulin sensitivity, lowering belly fat, a testosterone killer. Supports thyroid function, which directly boosts metabolism and vitality. Open book example, a man in his late 60s complained of feeling sluggish and heavy every morning. After adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil before bed, he reported lighter mornings, better sleep, and surprisingly stronger erections. Backhand index pointing right. How to use it. Start with 1 teaspoon, increase to 1 tablespoon if tolerated. Use organic, virgin coconut oil, not refined. If solid, melt it gently, it's liquid above 76 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil is a powerhouse for men's health, especially the prostate. Rich in zinc, crucial for testosterone production. Contains phytosterols, reduce prostate swelling, improving urine flow. Packed with antioxidants, protect blood vessels and nerves. Open book example. One man in his late 60s was waking up 4 to 5 times a night to urinate. I had him take 2 teaspoons pumpkin seed oil before bed. Within a month, his sleep improved, urination slowed, and morning erections returned. Backhand index pointing right. How to use it. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons before bed. Look for cold-pressed oil with a dark green color. Store in the fridge to prevent spoilage. 6. Black seed oil, Nigella sativa. Known as the seed of blessing, black seed oil has been used for 2,000 years. Its key compound is thymoquinone, which is both anti-inflammatory and regenerative. Protects Leydig cells, the cells in testes that make testosterone. Raises natural testosterone by up to 20% in studies. Improves sperm health and erection strength. Open book example. A 62-year-old man had low testosterone and low energy. After 2 months of taking 1 teaspoon black seed oil with honey before bed, his blood work showed a significant testosterone rise, and his wife told him she noticed the difference first. Backhand index pointing right. How to use it. Take 1 teaspoon before bed, mix with honey to cut bitterness. Look for oil with 1 to 2% thymoquinone content. Capsules are available if taste is too strong. 7. Fish oil. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil are essential for circulation and nerve health. Erections require blood flow plus nerve signaling. Fish oil supports both. Reduces systemic inflammation, helping vessels stay open. Keeps arteries flexible, boosting penile blood flow. Improves nerve conduction, making erections stronger. Open book example. A patient in his late 60s felt weak and constantly fatigued. After adding 2 grams of fish oil before bed, he reported steadier energy and stronger morning erections. His blood pressure even dropped into a healthier range. Backhand index pointing right. How to use it. Take 2 to 3 grams before bed. Use pharmaceutical-grade fish oil, purified to remove mercury. Store in the fridge to avoid oxidation. 8. Suggested protocol. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself. Week 1, 1 tablespoon olive oil nightly. Week 2, add castor oil, alternate nights. Week 3, add pumpkin or coconut oil. Week 4 plus, rotate oils based on your needs. Think of it like building a team, each oil brings unique strengths. 9. Timeline and results. Week 1, deeper sleep, calmer digestion, steadier energy. Week 2, first signs of firmer morning erections. Weeks 3 to 4, consistent results, more stamina, better mood. Months 2 to 3, hormone balance improves, circulation is stronger, energy feels years younger. 10. Factors that influence results. Consistency, skipping nights weakens results. Sleep, poor sleep equals low testosterone. Stress, high cortisol blocks sexual function. Alcohol kills testosterone at night. Medications, some may blunt progress, check with doctor. 11. Supportive tips. Drink plenty of water, better blood flow. Do pelvic floor, Kegel, exercises, stronger erections. Get morning sunlight, boosts testosterone naturally. Cut blue light at night, deeper rest, stronger hormone release. 12. Cost versus benefit. Prescription pills, $30-$60 per use. Hormone therapy, $300-$500 per month. Oils, $1-$2 per night, natural, safe, and holistic. Conclusion. Morning erections aren't just a sign of physical health. They're a reflection of a man's spirit, confidence, and vitality. I've seen oils restore more than erections. They restore dignity, intimacy, and the spark that makes a man feel alive. The choice is yours. Accept decline as inevitable, or take 30 days, 1 spoonful at a time, and prove to yourself what your body is still capable of. Your mornings are waiting. Your body is ready. The only question left is, are you?